How to create an appointment booking AI agent. First, open VoiceFlow and sign into your account. On the home screen, you'll see the box that says, "Describe what this AI agent is supposed to do." You can either type your own instructions or simply click Appointment Booking. Now, VoiceFlow will use your selection to create the basic AI agent for appointment booking. After entering your instructions, click the arrow button to generate the agent. Once the agent is created, review the generated role, goal, tone, and guardrails. Next, add your business information to the knowledge base, such as your services, working hours, and booking policies. Then configure your appointment workflow and connect the required calendar or scheduling tools. Click Run to test the agent. Try booking an appointment and make sure it handles unavailable times correctly. When everything works as expected, click Publish to make your AI agent available. That's it. You've successfully created an appointment booking AI agent using VoiceFlow without coding.